Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a clipping mask in Adobe InDesign. It's quick, it's easy, and by far the best method. So without further ado, let's climb in. So there's many ways to approach this. The first way is grabbing a shape tool. So let's use the ellipse tool, and here we can make an ellipse around this red apple. Now if you want your circle or your shape to be symmetrical, you can go ahead and hold in Shift on your keyboard. Now that we have it, let's use the direct selection tool. Let's select our main image, go up to edit and click on cut. Now this will essentially cut where you have made your marks. Alright, now let's go up and select the selection tool. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and look for that line that we made, their mask, and we are going to select this. Now let's go up to edit, and here we're going to look for paste into. We have now made a clear masking of this red apple. Now, there could be a number of other ways to do this. Let us go and use our pen tool. So this is what it looks like. And if you zoom in here a bit, you can now trace around this apple simply by using some clicks. Now, of course, the more care you take in doing this, the better your results are going to be. Again, we're going to go and use that direct selection tool, and let's select everything. And from here, we're going to go up again to edit, and we are going to cut it. Right, let's use our selection tool again. Let's select our cutout or our mask, back into edit, and paste into there. We've got our apple cut out again. So you can use various tools in doing so. You can also include different shapes. So if you want to use the polygon or the rectangular tool, you can do exactly the same and follow the same steps.